Hi, it's Scott from Your Store Wizards, and in this video, I'm going to talk about product categories and how to organize and create them in your BigCommerce store. So to access your product categories, we'll click on Products, Product Categories, and then on this screen, you'll be able to see all the categories that are in your store. Category name, the number of products that are in that specific category. If the category has subcategories, you can see the number of products that are in those subcategories. And then also a green check mark indicates that this category is visible in your store's menu, and a red X indicates that it is not visible in your store's menu. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create a new category. So we're going to click on that right there. And in my name box, we're just going to call this Home Goods. When it comes to the URL, BigCommerce is automatically going to create a URL for your new section or category. You can go ahead and customize this a little more. So if we wanted to make this Home Goods for your home, I could go ahead and just do that. Down below in description, you've got your Wysiwyg Editor, where you can put some nice SEO copy in here to let your customers and the search engines know what this category is all about. This is a great selection of home goods. Not very SEO friendly, but you can get the point, what you want to do in that description box. For the parent category, this is going to be a parent, so I am not going to assign it to a existing category to make it a subcategory. But if I wanted to put this under kitchen or bath, I would just highlight that particular section. But this is going to be no parent category because this is going to be a parent category, and you're going to see what I'm going to do with a little organization in just a bit. My template file is just going to be my default. Sort order, as you can see with the tooltip there, this number determines the order in which the category is going to be displayed. The lower the number, the closer to the top of the list the category is going to appear. I like to manage my own navigation structure, so I'm not going to put anything in for a sort order. For the default product sort, your store settings should have a list and a selection of how you want your products sorted on the page. So if I wanted to deviate from my default setting for my entire store and just have my featured items appear at the top first, or I wanted to list this in alphabetical, all the items appear in this page as A to Z, I could do that, or price low to high or high to low. It's just how the products are going to be sorted on the category page. I am just simply going to use my default store settings, which are global throughout my store. If I wanted to create a category image for this particular category, I can upload one from my computer. And then down here under search engine optimization, you would want to put in a page title, meta keywords, description, and any search keywords in those boxes. Again, this is optional, but if you wanted to SEO the page title up a little better, create some meta keywords or a description, you're more than welcome to do so. But remember that those fields are optional. So once I have all my information on my category details page, I'll simply click Save and Exit, and then I'm going to go back to my main product category page. Now, here's where I want to kind of tighten up my navigation menu. So I created my new category, Home Goods. So now I want to put Kitchen, Bath, and Garden underneath Home Goods. What's great about this is it's so easy to just move everything right on over. And as soon as that move is done, it is actually live on your store. So if I were to go over and view my store, it would automatically be there under Home Goods. So there you have it. That's how to create and organize product categories in BigCommerce. For more information on Your Store Wizards and more training videos, just visit us at yourstorewizards.com.